then return
pay
it.
for our
Listen, you
shit.
don't know what's going on. You don't even know what's going on.
My shit.
Stamp the thing, okay?
What should have been a quick trip to Walmart turned into chaos over a single microwave.
It's not true. I'm 50-something years old, dude. I don't like the treatment. And you're yelling at me, dude, like I'm a kid. Irritates the hell out of me.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to whoever is listening.
December 13th, 2024, what began as a regular shoplifting call at a local Walmart spiraled into a heated confrontation full of shouting, confusion, and multiple arrests. At the center of the storm, a microwave, scanned incorrectly, depending on who you ask.
Nobody knew that. I just waited
To employment.
check your workers.
It's a separate shoplift. I'll be
Nobody
honest.
shoplift. You're wrong, dude. Don't come up saying
Hey,
wrong shit.
don't tell me what to do.
No, but no one's shoplifting.
Nobody shoplifting about anything.
No, I don't care. Don't
Hey,
disrespect
how
me.
much is the microwave?
Listen to your own damn self. Don't listen to
Get
me.
it paid. Here, I paid for my shit.
Listen, go. I'll go. This is ridiculous. Go fix your barcodes and check your workers.
Doing right now. You code 4 in the second call.
I put a sticker on it.
So far.
I mean, whoever did, the lady was very helpful. Scanned everything myself.
Hang on. Where's the receipt? What are you not understanding about hang on?
buddy?
I said
I
hang
don't know who you're
on.
talking to.
What are you doing?
Who you're talking to?
I said to
Go the
hang
store.
on.
Hang on
Where's
for what? We're
the
trying to pay for it.
Thing.
It was a
I'm
problem
going
we
to pay
didn't
for
pay.
it.
We're
You
trying
said
to pay
pay
now.
me.
You can't leave the store and
I'm
not
not
pay for
leaving.
something
Buddy,
and then
Nobody
return
pay
it.
for our
Listen, you
shit.
don't know what's going on. You don't even know what's going
What's
on.
my
We
shit?
stamped the thing, okay?
What my shit, dude? What is your problem?
Listen, just go to the car for this gets way more. Give me the money for the microwave.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Like somebody put a
spent
sticker on the
$1?
thing and did all
What
that shit.
happened?
Man, if we rank it up, that's not gonna happen.
One by one.
We scanned the thing. The workers scanned the thing. Everybody did whatever. I don't care how much it was.
Whatever it
25
came up
cents.
to, I don't know what
We
it
paid
came
what
up
we
This
to.
is
paid
the
for.
scan. This is
Okay,
not
well,
the
however it goes, when we scanned it, that's what it did. She rung it
Who
up and she
scanned
scanned
this
it
one?
too.
I don't know.
I don't know. She panned it on her phone. Bottom line is, can we get our microwave? Right there.
Okay, man, so move. Here,
$80.
watch out, dude. I'll go pay for it.
And
So
then,
you
what is this one?
No, he can't tell me either. I'm gonna go pay for my shit.
What's that?
Fuck the camera. Let me pay for my shit.
So how much did they pay for this?
And we said it runs up as $1, so we owe you $79 more.
$1?
$1. Maybe
That's
she'll
what it
get
said.
you one too.
Officers responded to reports of a possible theft. When they arrived, they found a couple mid-argument with store staff about a microwave that had rung up for just $1. The couple insisted they'd scanned it correctly, but tensions flared when officers got involved.
Excuse me, sir. Let me ring it up. So we.
No, I don't think you can buy this.
Yes, I can. Yes, man. I'm not paying for my stuff, bro. Quit trying to make them make your decision for you.
You guys want these guys in the store or no?
Quit trying to start stuff. Let me just make my stuff.
No, I don't. I'm just trying to pay for the microwave.
No, I'll charge you both for theft. Let's go.
Oh my God,
Okay.
who stole what? Nobody stole anything.
Okay.
Still nothing, bro.
She just oh my Lord.
Okay, in the
She
office.
just
Stealing nothing, man.
In the office.
I'm not stealing.
You want to go in handcuffs or you want to go on your own?
Other stuff, bro. I paid for my stuff. No, I didn't. No, listen, bro. He said, oh my.
Both of you guys in the office now.
okay. Well, we scanned right here. We didn't know it was $1, man.
No, you didn't scan the microwave at all.
Okay, so can you go look at your
in the-
camera, sir?
That's what we're gonna do.
Thank you, and you will see that he scanned it.
In the office.
Thank you. This is ridiculous.
In the office.
The man quickly became agitated. "You're yelling at me like I'm a kid," he snapped. What followed was a back and forth full of swearing, confusion, and claims of being mistreated. The microwave, they argued, had been scanned. The officer, however, said otherwise, and that passing the final point of sale without proper payment amounted to theft.
You're either gonna go in handcuffs or you're gonna go in.
Or handcuffs for
Go
what?
inside.
My daughter's right here. Hold on.
Go in the
I'm
office.
going. Come on, Jimmy.
Have a seat.
This is my daughter. Hold on, this is my daughter.
Push past me.
Nobody, listen, don't be disrespectful. I didn't disrespect nobody.
Have a seat. Calm down.
Hate this place.
Everybody take off your.
Too much.
I'm not putting up with this.
Too much. What am I
Take off your
doing?
bag.
I'm saying this is too much. It's crazy.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what, sir? My daughter's right. I haven't done nothing
I'm gonna
wrong.
ask you one more time.
For what am I getting a handcuffs for?
Getting arrested for
Jimmy,
theft.
be quiet. Oh, my. Arrested for what?
hands behind your back. Okay,
Jamie,
another
come.
one. Another hand.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Could you please rewind the camera, sir?
We will.
Thank you.
If you guys can just take
I'm calm.
relax, don't even say another word, have a seat, I will figure it
you put
out
him in
for you
handcuffs?
guys.
No, I don't need no
What do you
handcuffs.
need?
Yes, you
Let's not
do.
that. No,
You're
I
under
have a
arrest.
disability.
Go
I
ahead.
have a disability, man. Let's not do this. Okay,
Hands up behind your back.
Okay.
No more
let me
noises.
put my money where else. Pushing all this.
Relax.
I didn't do one thing. Nigga. I got a decision.
Put it in your.
Here, hold on a second. Don't take my money, please. Let me get
back in your pocket.
Let me get this straight, man. Let me
Hey.
hold on to it.
Guess what? You in my house now.
What is why you yelling, bro?
Because you ain't listening.
No,
you in
being
my house now.
disrespectful.
You follow my rules. Sit down.
I have to.
You are talking your way into a weekend at the score jail.
What are you talking about?
Just be quiet.
I just said so. You understand English?
Be quiet. Please.
Quit talking to me, please.
Yeah.
You're talking to me, okay?
You made something very simple
No,
into
I
a
did. I said, let me just
clusterfuck.
pay
Okay?
this. I said let me pay.
No, you
paid
can't
it.
just take something for $1
I didn't take it.
and
You
go,
just
oh,
stick
I
that
got
for
caught.
$1.
I'm going to go pay the other $79. No, that's not how it works. Prosecution?
The guys take it.
What
would you say that, man?
I didn't deal. Anyway, I spoke to the lady at the
Here's
pay.
this.
She said, I said he has a receipt. He's paying. Both of the workers' help is paid. We didn't know any of what
I
a
didn't
dollar,
do,
any
I
of
didn't
that.
do any of what you're saying. All I did was scan the stuff, pay the money, and
scan
walk
that
out.
microwave.
Lady asked for the receipt.
It's
I showed
$80.
you sure.
It's $80.
So why, sir?
Oh, okay. An $80 microwave for $1.
$80 microwave for
I didn't
$1?
ring it up, or nor did I look at the price. I mean, I rang it up or whatever. I
Ah,
scanned
it's one
it.
of those,
I didn't
like
look
these.
No, I didn't do any
So
of that.
could you go back
Because-
to the microwave aisle and watch us looking at microwaves? And nobody.
We're watching it right now.
I hope
Yeah,
so.
I didn't do
So this is
anything.
what happened.
Nothing,
Yeah.
nothing. I didn't do anything, nothing.
He grabs the pen eventually.
Yeah, you can see I'm not doing anything fraudulent,
He
bro.
scans, it says error.
Asked for the warranty. No. He scanned the bid. I scanned the ice trays, and that was that.
You never scanned the microwave.
Yes, I
He
did.
scanned it at the
I
top.
scanned it. I did.
We're watching you the whole time, though.
Well, let me watch it with you.
There's the airbag on the bottom.
Where's it at? I scanned 2 times. Where am I at?
So it asked you for the warranty for the bed. When you try to scan the microwave, it gave you that red error signifying that it wasn't scanned.
It said that for
error-
the pop,
that
for the
error
soda.
said- no, it didn't. It was for the microwave. It's clear right here. Look, I'll show you.
Okay, well, I
again.
didn't understand what I didn't understand that. I didn't understand what you're saying. I really don't understand.
So your screen
But go back to me where I'm scanning
I'm
the
about to, I'm
stuff.
about to.
It
Give
shows
me a
me
minute.
scanning everything I try to scan.
right here. Look, check this out.
Okay.
All right, you scanning.
I'm scanning
It
it.
gives you the error. Invalid. You decide to say.
No, I didn't see
listen,
this.
watch this.
I didn't
And
say
then-
no.
And then
dude.
you go scan the bottom.
No,
That's
but
the
I'm not
thing
saying. I
What
don't
is the
know.
bottom?
I don't know that.
The bottom
The
of
bottom
the
is my
bed.
bed. I scanned my bed. I didn't try to do what you're saying.
Here's the
That's
thing,
not
though.
true.
Here's the
see?
thing that I
if
need
you
to
look at it,
understand.
bro.
Have a seat.
Yeah,
Have a
but I'm
seat.
just
I'm
saying
gonna
you
talk
can
to
see it, man.
I'm
I
gonna
didn't
talk to
do
you.
what you're saying.
Sir, let me talk to you real quick. I need you to understand something. We're not calling you thieves. We're not saying that you are stealing. Our job is that the moment that you pass that last point of sale and you take an item that's not
I
on
did
your
not take
receipt,
an item.
listen, it is considered theft. I'm
I
not
did.
calling you a
I hear
thief.
you.
All
I
I'm
hear
saying
you.
is that the moment it passes,
good enough for me.
Whether it's on your, if it's not on your receipt,
I
it is
didn't look at
considered
that.
theft.
I completely didn't pay that no attention, bro.
And
I thought that meant just-
unfortunately for you, when
Oh
it comes
my
to that,
God, man.
it doesn't matter anymore.
I know,
Because the
man.
moment that you pass
If
that
you
last
look at
point of
if you
sale-
look at what I tried to do, man, I did everything I thought I
I'm
was
seeing
doing,
you. I'm standing
man.
up.
Come on, man, don't do
I'm
this.
done with this back and forth. I'm telling you, I'm going to file the charge.
Why?
That is what it is.
You didn't see it? Did you even look at it, sir?
Yeah.
If you see it, you know I didn't do what you're
Oh,
saying.
okay, that's cool. That's for us to at the court, okay?
Two more in
Well, fine,
custody
man.
court.
Whatever,
charges are
that's
being
how you
filed.
feel.
You
You
wanna-
don't have to.
Everyone
You
has
just,
to
I told you if
Conversation's
it
over.
said that was that, man.
Conversation.
You're being wrong, man. You're wrong, bro.
Okay.
You're wrong. It hurts my heart, man.
we filed charges, no matter the amount.
Whatever. I don't need to hear
No.
anything else. It's just that's ridiculous.
It
It didn't happen like you're saying.
I know, and that's
And
something
they
that you-
escalated, and he
that's
just got
something that you
loud,
have
and
the
everyone
right-
else got
listen,
loud,
listen,
and they rushed
listen,
over there
listen.
in a heated rush, man.
Brother, listen.
Fucking
That is something
irritating.
that you can fight when it comes to the charges being sent over.
Dude, I know how things work. You don't have to
Okay.
explain that to me then. It's just like, this is just being ridiculous with how he's taking it and how you feel like with your little bit of authority or whatever you have, you're pushing the line, man. And it's the wrong decision to make. You made a mistake and this is shitty.
Oh, so we made the mistake.
Yeah, bro, I'm not trying to steal, bro.
Like we scanned the box.
not
Nobody knew
stealing.
nothing was nothing or whatever. The black girl tried to scan it on her phone. 43 wasn't working. And we moved.
You saw what it
The
was,
scanner
man.
wasn't working.
It wasn't nothing, man.
Box.
Ill,
Nobody
like
was
you're
trying to
saying.
get over or any of what a dollar. Like nobody was trying to do any of that. We took our time to try to shop for a microwave. Like this is crazy.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
At one point, the woman tried to de-escalate. The man, visibly frustrated, argued he had a disability and that the officer was overreacting. "I'm 50-something years old," he said. "Treat me with respect." But the officer had heard enough. He warned that they were both under arrest.
And like I said, when you guys told me the price of it, I get it. Okay, that ain't the price. But here, pay the price. Because that's what I was trying to do. My intent was to pay for what I bought. I didn't come here to steal with a kid and I'm a thief. No, man. It's not true. I'm 50-something years old. Dude, I don't like the treatment. And you're yelling at me, dude, like I'm a kid. Irritates the hell out of me.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to whoever is listening.
That's not listening.
You're 50-something years
Don't
old?
give me the stare down, buddy.
Just calm down, please.
Nah, because it
I could irk you, but just please.
it irks them.
Oh, Ursula, me too.
What does?
You
Don't
know,
tell me, just you do you.
people just try to
That's what you think.
rationalize everything.
That's what you think. That's what you're doing. You think you're doing that.
You think you developed that method of shoplifting on your own?
I'm not
Okay.
shoplifting.
I got news for you.
I'm not shoplifting, buddy. I don't appreciate it. You make
Yeah.
accusations.
I know you're 50-something years old.
So what? What does that mean?
Whoopie-doo. Everybody just has to make this process so much harder than it has to
You
be.
did that. You made it harder. You think?
Oh, no, you want to see hard?
You think you're badass. And this is ridiculous.
I do not think I'm a badass.
We don't.
Like, man, all this back
It
and
doesn't
forth.
make it any better, guys.
I know, but it doesn't make better. You still antagonizing.
How am I antagonizing you?
You know what you do.
What am I doing?
You know it.
I don't. Enlighten me.
If you don't know, it's a sad thing.
So there are going to be a couple pictures that are going to be taken today. I don't know what his
Unbelievable.
trespass is going to be for you guys. I don't know what his decision is going to be. That is my boss. These pictures. Are
My
not gonna
decision
go-
might be score jail for both.
Why? I'm not doing anything, sir.
Let him say what he wants. I really have to focus. Okay? So these pictures are going to
Cooperate.
go.
I'm cooperating.
I understand you are.
You are.
Well, you just
I
said
don't know
something.
about this guy. This is guy running his mouth.
All right, guys, give me a second. So these pictures are not going to go anywhere public, anywhere social. It's not going to stay on our work phones. It's just going to go into our system. So for future reference, if we need to identify you, we can do it that way, okay?
Okay, so back to the question. Who has ID? You have ID in your purse. Go ahead and stand up.
Handcuffs followed. The couple pleaded. They claimed they were misunderstood, not criminals. "We were trying to pay," he said. "We didn't know the price scanned wrong." Officers insisted. The moment they exited the register area, unpaid item in tow, it became criminal.
Understand this. You guys are still under arrest for theft. All this was totally unnecessary.
This don't even respond.
The vast majority of
Don't
people.
respond. 'Cause this
Don't tell me
I'm
what.
just saying,
Hey,
just like we just
leave
said
it
what people are
alone. Leave
doing.
me alone, then. Don't do that.
You
shit
can
to me.
respond if you want, but I'm saying it's totally unnecessary. You can ask him. The vast majority of people in here walk in without handcuffs because they're cooperative. They don't argue. They don't not listen. They just say, "All right, I got caught," and they can sit
not
down.
my
Let him
case,
check you.
though, buddy.
Let him check you.
Here it is right here.
What is with today? There's something in the water. Everybody, because all 3 times I've come here, people are in handcuffs. And normally I come here and nobody's in handcuffs. Yeah.
One of those days.
It has?
It's been like that for like the past 2 weeks.
So everybody is clear. Brandy, you do have some history of organized retail theft, though.
Yeah,
Saw that.
history.
This is a trespass warning saying that you cannot come back to this particular Walmart for a period of 3 years, correct?
I don't know what he wanted, but I mean,
Well,
I can give
it's better than the It's better than the alternative, because the alternative is permanent, I think, right? Okay. Good, sign here. That's just saying I'm giving you a copy. You don't have to sign it if you don't want it.
There's a note that says that I can't come here for 3 years.
For 3 years. It's
And
standard.
this-
Everybody that comes to this office gets one of
Now-
these.
So theirs is particular to this Walmart. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, but
The one of ours is for every Walmart. So you guys can still shop at a different Walmart.
Just kind of come
Keep
to
in
this one.
mind,
until we get this court shit handled, because I
Correct.
do
Sure.
want to come back here, because after that,
Definitely.
this shit's all board.
I understand that. If you decide to break this trespass, you'll probably be facing more charges. If you decide to come back to Walmart and steal as little as a candy
If I
bar,
was still,
I'm not saying you're stealing, man. I'm just giving you the details. Listen up, please. If you come back to Walmart and if you steal as little as a candy bar, you can be facing felony charges, because not only are you trespassed, but you're stealing, and that's considered.
Last week was so
Just
easy.
giving you the details.
Everybody just said acquiesce.
I wasn't here last week.
Just letting
Oh,
you know
yeah.
the details of what this means. You understand that?
Today,
So,
everybody's
if
just
you
being
acknowledge to all of that, you can sign the form.
At the station, things didn't cool down. The officer mentioned that one of them had a prior history with organized retail theft. They were issued a trespass warning, banned from returning to that Walmart for 3 years. Better than permanent, one muttered. Still, the damage was done. Nobody walked away happy. One officer summed it up. Most people come in here without handcuffs. They don't argue, they just accept what happened. But this couple wasn't most people. Did the officers take it too far? Or did the couple escalate what could have been a simple correction at the register? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life police encounters caught on camera.